Hi guys, welcome back to Awesome TV. If you're looking for ways to boost sales for your e-commerce business, kitting your products can be one of the solutions. Let's talk more on that today.
What is kitting? Kitting, also known as bundling, is a process of taking different but related SKUs and combining them together to create a new SKU.
Let's say you sell traditional Malay clothes, and with the upcoming Hari Raya celebration, you decide to sell your items in a bundle, such as a set of baju Melayu with a samping and buttons. And this is what we call kitting, and is similar to cross-selling.
This strategy offers convenience and savings to your buyers as the price of the kits is usually cheaper than if bought separately. It is also a great way to move your less popular product when you package them with the best seller in a kit.
Now, let's dive deeper into kitting to discover the benefits it has towards your business.
Increase product exposure. Selling a bundle of items together exposes your buyers to product they may not have considered buying before.
More exposure means more sales. So kitting allows you to sell more by listing several items in a bundle compared to selling them on their own. Reduce shipping costs. Instead of shipping each item separately, you can ship multiple items together that can reduce the shipping fee of your parcels. You can also save on packing materials since you don't have to pack them separately. These practices can help cut your overall fulfillment and shipping costs.
Offer sales opportunity. Kits can easily attract buyers, especially if you bundle products that complement each other's. This can be used as a great sales strategy.
If you want to sell your current stock to make way for new ones, you can just bundle them together and offer them at a lower price. This is a way to not only boost sales but also optimize your inventory turnover.
Kitting with AllSome. AllSome support kitting service for all online sellers. Our orders management software can combine all required product to be packed and shipped as one SKU.
You can see how many SKU you have on hand to sell and even which warehouse the inventory is located in. The best part about our kitting services is that you can sell kitted products and even individual products simultaneously, and your inventory stays in sync across all channels.
And all you need to do is to ensure you have enough inventory stored in our warehouse.
If you're interested in outsourcing from AllSome and learning more about kitting and our order fulfillment services, you can drop us a message on any of our social links below.
Yeah man, that's all we have for you today. Remember to like, share and subscribe to Awesome TV and click on the notification bell so you can get a notification every time we upload a new video.
Thank you for watching and we'll see you again next week. Bye bye.